Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the headlight bulb on this Honda SH mode. This one is 125 and it's the headlight bulb which we're going to change. So in order to change the headlight bulb, we'll have to remove this panel here. The whole panel needs to come off, and so this panel is secured by 4 screws, 2 at the top, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 on each side at the bottom. Just gonna show you. So this screw here, and there's 1 on this side, this one, and also we'll have to remove the mirrors to both sides. These are the Phillips screws. Okay. So that's the 2 top screws nicely been taken off. Now we're going to remove the 2 bottom ones. There we go. So in order to remove the left hand side, when you turn the handlebar to the left, and that's how the screw just comes off. So just gonna remove the right hand side one now. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this part here, which didn't come out when we were removing the mirrors. So just gonna slacken it off. There we go. Right, so we're gonna be using this tool to undo the clips. So that's the top side of the panel loosened up. So now we're gonna go under the handlebar and gonna undo the clips here. Same on this side. So here is the light bulb harness connector, which we're just gonna pull. There we go. So now we can rest the light, the whole panel here. I'm gonna pull this dust cap off. Right, so the replacement bulb for this bike is going to be H4. So it's a 3-legged bulb. So the way we're gonna remove the bulb is we're gonna press this clip and move it this way, and then that's the clip out of the way, and then we're gonna pull the blown headlight bulb off. So this is the new headlight bulb. So what we're gonna do is make sure that when you change the bulb, don't touch the lens, otherwise it's gonna leave the fingerprints on the lens. So the bulb will sit in like this, then the clip comes in place. There we go. So we're gonna press it all the way down, and this is how we're gonna secure the bulb into the holder. you can take the old bulb back to recycling place to recycle it. Now that we have fitted the bulb into the holder, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this dust cap back on. So the way dust cap goes on is like this. It's going to push it down in the middle here. So we're just going to bring the panel here. So the harness connector gets connected here. Just going to push it in, and then just going to bring it closer like this. It's going to line up the casing at the bottom and also at the top. There you go. So that's the right hand side casing fully home. And then for the left hand side, again, we're gonna bring the casing closer like this, and then we're just gonna push the casing here. That's all nicely clipped on. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fit the screws back on. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fit the mirror. So we're gonna fit the left hand side mirror first. And then the right hand side. There we go, friends. The mirrors are nicely fitted on this bike. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.